Everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be making easy ice cream. So what you'll be needing is double cream, 500 milliliters. We'll also be needing frozen strawberries, condensed milk, vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon. Need a big large bowl and electric mixture, spatula, and a big spoon. So we are going to be pouring our double cream all of the bottle. This is really easy to make, so if you want to make it, no problem. Follow my ingredients really carefully. So now we're going to close the bottles. So then we're going to pour in our condensed milk. And you're going to get a spatula and just get the condensed milk that's stuck in there. This is really easy to make, by the way. Now when it's nice and fluffy, we're going to add our 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Just 1 tablespoon, like that. And now we're going to mix that so we can get the vanilla taste. Once we do that, we have our frozen strawberry coated. And if you want, I'm doing frozen strawberry, but if you want, you could do fresh strawberry. It doesn't really matter, but I just wanted to do frozen strawberry. And now we're going to pour it in because we cut them in pieces. So make sure you cut them in pieces. So now, once you're finished, spatula, and then you're going to mix it until nice combined. Mix it really gently. What we're going to do is we're going to pour it in a container. I chose this container. We're going to pour it in very gently. Hold on. it's nice and flattened into the container, and now we're going to close it with its lid, and then you're going to leave it in the freezer for about 4 or 5 hours until you think it's nice and frozen. So let's do that. I'll see you in a minute, you guys, and we will basically put the cups down and pour in the ice cream. 5 hours, the ice cream is ready, and now I'm going to pour them in the cups, and yeah, so let's pour them in the cups. Nice and easy ice cream to make. This is so fun. Same with the other ball. Once we do that, we're going to get our chocolate sauce and sprinkle it around. Easy and fun way to make ice cream. Don't need to spend your money on buying it. Once you've done that, you're finished. Now you made your homemade ice cream. Thank you for watching my video. So then, voila! Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe and please give us a big thumbs up. Let's get up to 5,000 watching my video. I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also comment down below what should I do for my next video. Let's get it up to 5,000 likes. Bye!